What's up, everybody? I'm gonna go over a trade recap real quick. So I ended up taking two trades today. They were both on QQQ. I'm down $50 today, but there's just usually like a much bigger loss than what I take on an average day. But right here on QQQ, I was bearish because we have this where's the 830 candle? Okay, yeah. So this high gets taken, we start to come down. We come up. We never actually end up taking. Was it date? I forgot if it was CPI or PPI. I don't know. We never ended up taking data highs, but we did take out this internal high, started selling off. Now, there was a 15-minute fair value gap. What I was expecting, what I was anticipating was price to come into the 5-minute fair value gap as a retracement and then push down to take out pre-market low. Pretty much the same thing happened, but it was not right here. Price wanted to retrace back up into this area before it started selling off. Now, I got to go to my screenshots because the other one, I don't know why, but I went back on TradingView to like load to get this thing back up, and then it for some reason I can't see my other trade I just took. But this is the screenshot. So this was okay. So both setups were pretty good in my opinion. This setup was better than the first one, but right here, because like data lows were already taken, we just placed up, but there was a SMT on SPY and QQQ. With that SMT being put in place, we started to displace out of it. We inversed this 2-minute fair value gap, so I entered one contract. No, yeah, I entered one contract right here, and then I saw that we started to push up. I entered one contract right there. Now, honestly, like in the future, okay, I like what I did because it's smart because I'm keeping risk very minimal. But I think in the future, if there were more like fair value gaps that got inversed on the way up, then I should enter more contracts because that's showing like bullish order flow. But yeah, we I don't know why price started to come down, and then it also inverts this 2-minute fair value gap. So I ended up exiting the trade. There's also a break of structure right here, like you can see this downtrend. Price broke it, but it's kind of annoying because this was like a perfect setup in my opinion. We have data lows got hit again. There's a deeper retracement SMT. Then we displaced out of it, broke structure, inverse this 2-minute fair value gap, and then we continue to sell off. That is annoying, but this is the this is what QQQ is at now. I guess like I'm trying to understand why. Okay, I can see why it was bearish because like honestly, there were so many bullish and bearish SMTs and stuff today. The bias was really confusing, but the reason why I could say like why I think price wanted to retrace up this high is because if you come here, I didn't even like see this until now, but the only thing I don't like about this is that there was no buy side taken right here. I don't even think on SPY there was. No. It's like although this 5-minute gap did get respected and it's in discount, the reason I do not like this is because there is no buy side taken. Like if price side came up and we took out buy side, then yeah, that would be a good setup, but I don't like how that moved. I don't like the setup on that. That would have been pretty good though. And then because out of this range, price came into the discounted range, and then I guess it'd be that. You can see like that low would have been the target in this low, and that was like that's where it retraced to. So yeah, like the thing I learned today is like price doesn't always have to take out a high. Like I know that obviously, but on the external model, on the 1 hour, 4 hour, I try to look at where price is and like the PD arrays and the fair value gaps, and then I'll go on the internal model and see like a internal high get taken out or internal low, and then I'll make a bias like that and go on the 1 minute and then find an entry. It's kind of annoying that I got stopped out on both trades. because both sides got played out today. The bullish side and bearish got played out, but it's okay because I'm just gonna learn from this. I'm gonna journal it and understand why price did what it did. Like I can tell you now why price did that, because anytime there's retracement, price is gonna want to retrace back into a PD rate and discount, and in this range, price retracing to the PD rate and discount. Never closed above the 5 minute. It just respected it. Like it didn't even. I don't even think it closed inside. Yeah, okay, barely closed inside the PD rate. I mean, like this was a clear bearish model that I just completely missed. But yeah, let's say I entered there. You could take one off right here. That's already $1 move. I mean, that's like good profit. Take one off right there, $2 move, $3 move, like that. That would have been a great trade to take. But I completely overlooked it. It's okay. I'm just gonna look back and think like what I could have done better on this. And I honestly think it's just being more open to saying like price doesn't have to take out a higher low. It can come into a PD array on the internal model and then it can make the move. But I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.